How to enable and use a standby mode on iPhone series. By default, a standby mode is turned on iOS 17. If it's not, or you should want to turn off the feature, open up settings and go to standby and switch the activation toggle to enable a standby mode on iPhone 15 and other iPhone series phone. Here option is also available. Turn off display off automatically after 20 seconds. Never choose as per your choice. Also, you can enable night mode, motion to wake. The various other features are also here. Now we will customize standby mode. First, set landscape mode on your iPhone and turn your iPhone into landscape mode. Also, plug in your charger. A standby mode works with any compatible iPhone that's charging and rotated to a horizontal orientation. So plug in your charger and keep it horizontally, and a standby mode is visible here. Customize here. A standby mode will automatically turn on when both requirements are met. Means horizontal move and charging plug in. Now to add any widget, press and hold and enter your password. Click on plus tab and choose another feature to add widget on your standby screen. Here some other feature you can also add. Choose from this place and all this feature will available on your screen. Finally, click on done from the top right corner. Now some other feature of standby mode is, again press and hold any widget and enter your unlock your iPhone, and you can turn on location rotation on. When you turn in portrait mode, your standby mode automatically disappear, and as soon as you turn it your iPhone horizontally, a standby mode will appear. This is a feature of iPhone. You can slide. You can also choose various type of watch. You can customize your clock model. Select any one of them. These are